Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to share Kahoot pin. Let's go and share the pin. So how do you do it? First of all, you have to assign the game to someone. Like now you can see share pin here, but I'll show you how I got here. So first of all, you have to pick a game you want to share the pin. Let's say you can see also, make sure to assign your Kahoot to players. That's because it's already active. So I'm going to go for the one that's not active. Let me go to discover and look for a new game. It's a new game, so click on it and then click on host, and then you can see assign. Click on assign and then click on create. So to create the pin, and then you can see the pin here. So you copy it, press on it by I've copied it, and then you send it to your friend. You can send it to your friend through so assign again, create, I'm coming. So you can share it maybe through more. You can share it to your friend through WhatsApp or this other means, social media, and that's how to share the pin. So and once your friend gets the pin, all they have to do is click on join, and then they paste the pin, and when they click on enter, so sorry, yes, true, I didn't start the game, but you would have started the game then. So once they click on enter, to take them to the game. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.